Now, basically what happened last year, the push came around about July, August to reappoint the CEO at that time when his contract was terminated in the end of January. Now, one has to go back to this. How does the decision making around the CEO works to understand the whole situation? First of all, Meatco, or the Meat Corporation of Namibia, is guided by the Meat Corporation of Namibia Act 1 of 2021. It came into force on the 3rd of May 2021. It was subsequently amended in 2004 at the end of December 2004.
2004 or 2024?
2004.
Because you said it was enacted in
amended in 2004. The
Okay.
Act of 2001 was amended in 2004. Minor adjustments that they've made into the Act, yeah. But now you have to look at the Act specifically, and I just want to take out a few points here. One concerning the Board of Directors, then submissions by matters to the Minister, the CEO specifically, and the liquidation of the corporation. Now, one must remember that the Parliament is the ones, they are the lawmakers. So they do make the laws. Meaning, if it is signed by the President, eventually this is then the law, and you cannot go against the law. Now, the same Parliament who were responsible for the Meat Corporation Act is now trying to step around the provisions of the Act.